back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you my May favorites. Pero to start things off, May is my favorite month because it's my birth month. Ayan. Aside from that, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga nagustuhan kong products for the month of May. Pero most of these are skincare products and skincare products talaga siya. Kung may makeup products man akong gusto, iilan lang to. Siguro dalawa lang to. Kasi I'm not really into buying new makeup. Kasi nga, mas nag-focus ako ngayon sa skin ko than dun sa makeup muna. So, without further ado, let's begin with the video. So first, tunahin na natin ang makeup kasi konti lang naman siya. So to start things off, ito yung unang favorite ko. This is the Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette from NYX. Yan, ang itsura niya, guys. And when you open, yung colors niya is these. Maganda siya, lalo na kung nagme-makeup ka ng ibang tao kasi yung colors niya is perfect for any skin tone or for every skin tone kasi iba-iba na. May dark, may light, and all. My favorite color is this one. Yung may pagka-violet. And when you swatch, actually nag-swatch na ako kanina. But when you swatch, ito yung color niya. Yan. See? Ang ganda niya, diba? Aside from that, ang gusto ko pang color is this one. Yan. Pag sinwatch mo siya, sobrang pigmented niya. Kundi pa lang yung nasa-swipe off ko. Hindi masyadong madiin yan. Yan. Ganda. Sobrang creamy niya. Hindi siya masyadong powdery. That's why I like this. I had this for quite a while now. Pero, nung nakita ko ulit siya, nung nagamit ko ulit siya, na-in-love ulit ako sa kanya. Pero I didn't use this much nung nakuha ko siya. Kaya ngayon, na favorite ko siya, halos in-araw-araw ko yung gamit ko sa kanya. Although may ibang colors na not good for my skin tone, nung ginagawa ko na lang is, minimix ko siya sa ibang lighter colors para mag-match siya sa aking skin tone. So, proceeding you guys, my next favorite is this lip balm from Human Nature. This one is a 100% natural lip balm in the flavor cherry. Ayan yung itsura niya. Yan siya. It's really good. At the same time, sobrang moisturizing niya sa lips. So, with that lip balm, hindi masyado nagcha-chop yung lips ko. At the same time, pag gumagamit ako ng matte lipstick, hindi niya nade-define yung parang line sa lips ko. Kasi nga, moisturize siya. This one is the Pond's White Beauty Spotless Rosy White Day Cream. And this one is perfect for oily skin. Malalaman mo na for oily skin siya dahil dito sa blue label na yan. Pero kasi ako nagamit nito before, hindi siya for oily skin. Kaya yung feeling niya, sobrang oily sa mukha. Tsaka parang ang bilis mag-oil up ng face ko. Ilang oras pa lang nag-oil up na. Pero nung nalaman ko na meron pa lang for oily skin, it's very suitable for my skin type. Hindi ako masyado nag-oil up and naglalast yung makeup ko sa face ko the whole day. With that, actually, ginagamit ko yan every other day. Dun sa every other day na yun, sa mga araw na hindi ko siya ginagamit, etong mga to yung ginagamit ko. I've been doing that process since April yata. And so far, okay na okay yung skin ko. Hindi man hiyang na hiyang, pero ang ganda ng effects niya sa skin ko. Bello Intensive Whitening Kojic Acid plus Tranexamic Acid Micro Peeling Toner. Yan ang itsura niya, guys. This is the new toner of Bello Beauty or Bello Essentials. This one is really, really good. You know why? Kasi kahit dry yung skin mo, usually pag dry skin mo, gumamit ka ng toner, sobrang hapdi niya sa mukha. Or nevertheless, kahit hindi dry yung face mo, pero may mga toners talaga na hapdi sa mukha. But this one, wala kang mararamdaman na kahit anong hapdi. Sobrang smooth niya lang sa face. And mabango siya. Mabango talaga siya. And it's really effective, you know? Sobrang puti ng mukha ko after using it for quite some time. So, ayan. At the same time, nalesen niya yung dark spots sa face ko. Hindi ko siya magawa ng review at kasi medyo mahirap for me. Kasi yung skincare, it takes quite a while para makita mo yung effect niya. Lalo na sa akin, hindi ko masyado natututukan unless sobrang grabe na or sobrang maganda talaga yung effect niya sa skin ko na napapansin ko nawawala na yung mga iniinda ko. Saka ko lang malalaman na sobrang effective itong product for me. The next product is partner siya ng toner, and this one is the Bello Intensive White Face and Neck Cream. This has kojic acid and tranexamic acid as well. Yan ang itsura niya, guys. And when you open, the thing I like about this is may scoop siya. Yan yung scoop niya. Na may Bello sign din siya. May lid pa siya for you to open yung mismong product. Yan. Yan yung itsura ng product niya. Cream na cream talaga siya. For me lang, since I have an oily skin, medyo may pagka-greasy siya sa mukha. Pero what I like about it, kasi recently, sobrang dry na nung face ko. As in, mahapdi, yung talagang dry na mahapdi na yung mukha mo. And siya mismo yung nagtatanggal nung peeling sa mukha ko. Iniiwasan niyo talagang humapdi yung mukha ko. Right after putting it, kasi napansin ko yung pag-dry ko, siguro 2 days ago. So, ginawa ko, I stopped muna using the ponds para lalong ma-moisturize yung face ko using the cream. And ngayon, wala nang dry parts or wala nang patchy-patchy ng skin since nagpipil ako na wala na siya sa face ko. So, I really like this and I really recommend this. After this, aside from whitening your face, sobrang ganda ng effect niya dahil luminis at kuminis ang aking mukha. Di ka na magtitiis eh. Wala ka nagtitiis na half day or what. With these products, talagang swabe lang siya sa iyong mukha. You seldom find products na talagang tiis ganda. Pero with this, tiyaga lang, consistency lang sa paggamit. Yun naman yung key rin. Kahit anong products gamitin mo, kung maganda yung product, you just need to be consistent in using them for them to have an effect on you, diba? At the same time, kung tama din naman yung, or effective din naman yung product sa type ng skin mo. So, ayan. Next one is another skin product. This is the Nature Republic Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera 92% Soothing Gel. Yan. This is my first bottle, actually, first tub pa lang. Pero I bought one na for Rush. Actually, it's really working. It's really nice. Gusto ko yung amoy niya. Sobrang bango niya. Kasi, sobrang bango niya. Oh my God. Gusto ko siya nilalagay sa mukha ko. Kasi, may ano siya, may, what do you call this? Hindi siya mahapdi eh. May cooling effect siya. Talaga may cooling effect siya. Pagka ginamit mo siya, ang lamig-lamig niya sa mukha. Tapos, ang ganda ng effect niya sa mukha, lalo na sa morning after rinsing everything off. Ang lambot-lambot ng mukha ko, ang smooth ng mukha ko. Sobrang, oh my God, thank you for making this. Thank you for inventing this one. Effective siya kasi aloe vera siya. Aloe vera has many good effects for your skin. Kahit sa hair mo yan, kahit saan mo siya gamitin, maraming purpose itong aloe vera gel na to. I think pag may sunburn ka, effective din siya, gamitin mo din siya. Sobrang ganda ng product na to. I think this one is one of the products na talagang tumulong sa face ko to be in its good condition right now. Sobrang trusted brand ko ang Nature Republic, kaya ayoko na mag-try ng other soothing gel or other aloe vera gel from other stores. Tsaka medyo natatakot kasi ako. At least with Nature Republic, kampante ako na okay siya, na original man siya, kung man may peking ganito, diba? And it's really available anywhere. I mean, punta kayo ng any Nature Republic stores, maraming mall na may Nature Republic stores, so you need to get one, you guys. It's good for every or any skin tone, skin type, kasi aloe vera gel lang siya. It's home remedy nga siya kung meron kayong aloe vera plant. Oh my God. But for me, na walang aloe vera plant, this is the key to everything. To good skin. As you can see, my skin is so clear kahit naka-makeup ka. Kasi kahit anong makeup mo, wala akong foundation. Pero, di ba, kahit anong makeup mo, makikita pa din yung problem sa face mo after all. So, with me, hindi ko na kailangan masyadong maglagay ng makeup kasi okay yung skin ko right now. So, yun, dami ko sinabi, di ba? Ganda kasi ito eh. Next products are still from Bello. Ang bango-bango ng products nila talaga. Uy, grabe. Hindi ko alam bakit. Sobrang effective at sobrang bango ng mga products nila. And it lasts the entire day. At what I'm talking about is the Bello Intense White Advanced Whitening Formula Anti-Perspirant Deodorant that lasts for 48 hours. Alcohol-free and anti-stain. These products are given to me by Sample Room PH. Thank you, guys! At so, as well as itong dalawa was given by Sample Room PH. Thank you, Sample Room PH. Eto, ginagamit ko na siya ever since I got this. Diba talaga yung amoy niya? Tapos naglala siya buong araw. Kahit pinagpawisan ka na at all that, nandun pa din talaga yung amoy niya. Ang bang-bang talaga niya. At the same time, for me, it's effective kasi nakikita ko nag-clear up naman yung underarms ko. Though my underarms are, are okay. Hindi, wala namang problem sa underarms ko. It's just that, there's something about it that makes my underarms even whiter. Pero, sorry guys, I really don't show stuff below. I mean, for other people, they're really comfortable in showing it. Pero parang sa akin kasi parang private part siya. May arte akong ganun eh. But anyway, proceeding, along with this one, ito pala kasi nagagamit ko ever since nagbigay sa akin ni Sample Room. Thank you again, Sample Room PH! Ever since nagbigay sila, ito yung una kong tinry kasi mas gusto ko na roll-on than ito, this is, ano to? Yung the spray na deodorant. Mas gusto ko talaga yung roll-on spray. But we'll see. After I finish this one, ito naman yung gagamitin ko. So, we'll see you guys. Last but not the least, ito. Before, sobrang dry na hair ko. Lalo na nung may color siya, nung mahaba siya, may split ends and everything. Sana na-discover ko tong product. Kahit ang tagal nitong product, even before meron na talaga nito. Sana na-discover ko siya agad. Pero since ngayon ko lang siya na-discover, I got two right away. I got two of these products. And this is the Hair Treats Silky Straight Hair Spa. And this one is in Cocoa Milk. May iba-ibang colors nito depending sa need na treatment ng hair mo. But for me, ang kinuha ko is Cocoa Milk and yung nourishing yata yun. Nourishing and moisturizing, yung kulay pink na ganito. Kasi buy one, take one siya. Pero sabi ko, I want to try others naman aside from the straightening. Pero ito talaga, sobrang, hindi ko alam. Para siyang, alam mo yun, kahit speechless. Kahit, hindi ako mag-blower. Kahit hayaan ko lang mag-dry yung buhok ko sa usok, sa kahit anong yan. Ang ganda ng bagsak niya sa buhok ko. Ang ganda ng bagsak niya. Sorry. Ang ganda ng bagsak niya kahit anong klaseng tuyo ang gawin mo sa buhok mo. I mean, before without using that kasi hawiin ko man yung buhok ko kahit anong way kung paano ko siya patutuyuin para lang maayos yung bagsak niya. Hindi talaga. But this one, ever since I started using this one, girl, kahit umalis ka dyan at di nagsusuklay, joke lang. Kahit umalis ka dyan at nagsuklay ka lang, one suklay, alis na ako ng bahay, okay na okay yung bagsak ng buhok ko. Kahit ganyanin ko siya, kahit gananin ko siya, pagka natuyo siya, sobrang straight. Hindi na sobra, pero straight yung buhok ko. Hindi niya na nagagawa yung dating form ng hair na nag-wave siya. Ngayon, bagsak lang talaga siya. Hindi siya super bagsak though. Huwag niyo expect na mukhang ni-rebond yan. Pero kasi, hindi siya, my hair doesn't look dry. Unlike before, parang dry na dry yung buhok ko. At the same time, medyo mahirap i-maintain ang short hair. Kaya gusto ko talaga straight lang siya. Ayokong tumitikwas siya. Ngayon, hindi ko na siya nararamdaman. So, for me, I'm very, very thankful dahil, alam niyo, nakikita ko yung mga products na nag-work talaga for me. I'm not, saying na it will work for everyone. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng skin type, skin color. Iba-iba ng gusto yung ating mga mukha. So, if ever it works for you, then, hey, I'm proud of you. Then, nakita mo yung perfect match para sa skin type mo. But for others still searching, these products might work for you. And if not, keep on trying. Kasi diba, ako mismo, tinry ko lang din naman silang gamitin. And lucky for me, nahanap ko yung perfect talaga para sa skin ko na nahihiyang yung skin ko na nagiging effective talaga siya sa skin ko. I hope this video helps for you guys. So anyway, thank you guys for watching and for really listening to my madaldal kwentos. I hope you enjoyed. Please do like this video and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe. Please do comment down below any video suggestions or kung ba na-try nyo na yung mga products na to. Thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! So, I'll be announcing in this video the winner of the Simple Skincare PH giveaway. So, ayan. I will be putting down the video below kung paano ko napili yung winner. And the winner is Cassandra Kalinawan. Ayan, makikita nyo naman sa side na yan. Congratulations, Cassandra! Make sure to DM me on Instagram para mapadala ko na sa'yo yung products. Thank you guys for joining and I hope you join more of my giveaways in this coming videos. Thank you!